Emilio Vazquez is a Democratic member of the Pennsylvania House of Representatives representing the 197th House District in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He was elected as a write-in candidate in a special election to replace Leslie Acosta, who resigned on fraud charges, the second recent state representative of the 197th District to do so, after the original Democratic candidate was kicked off the ballot for not actually residing in the 197th District. While he was sworn into office, this election is currently under investigation by the Philadelphia Attorney General's office and Pennsylvania Attorney General. Vazquez is also current a defendant in a federal lawsuit regarding instances of widespread voter intimidation and election fraud for the election, of which he was declared the winner. There is a possibility that the federal court could declare the election null and void and order an entirely new election. Vazquez is a Democratic ward leader and Philadelphia Parking Authority employee. In the 2018 Democratic primary for his seat, Vazquez placed third, losing to former City Council aide Danilo Burgos, who is unopposed in the general election. Election. References. External links. Ballotpedia.